One is Joanne. So we desperately needed something to give us some sun protection on our back patio. And this outdoor roller shade was exactly what we needed. I got the 6x8 in gray to fit this space, and it looks and works amazing, better than expected. There are other colors and a bunch of different sizes. So I did a lot of research and found the one that I wanted that checked all the boxes. So the installation was easy. It was such a breeze. The instructions were super clear. Especially love the cordless wand operation. It is smooth and safe and easy to operate. We just installed it in there, and it has a nice little fold, and you just twist and turn so easily, and it bring it down as far as I need. When the sun comes out, it blocks perfectly. It's the right amount of sunshade without making the space feel dark. And even on windy days, it does have some bungee cords that you can attach so that it won't blow out. If you want to clean it, it's just a quick wipe. Looks brand new. It looks great. It works great. It was totally worth it. Exactly what we needed. We can see through it a little bit, so it's not blocking it completely. I love it.